think I can speak on behalf of my entire family. It's very hard to put into words. I mean, to have a hospital named after you. I mean, this is not like making second team all SEC or anything. So we just have such admiration for this hospital and the people and the leadership, and for them to do this for our family. It's one of the greatest things I think has ever happened in my life. You know, Peyton has Peyton Manning Children's Hospital in Indianapolis. Eli has Eli Manning Children's Clinics in Jackson, Mississippi. So Cooper and I decided we need to get in a children's hospital business. And that this is, I just overwhelmed and really so appreciative and special, really special.
Eli, you got multiple hospitals for children, these clinics, and I wonder, where does this rank? You have the Super Bowl rings, you got this family legacy. Where does this stack up in all that for you?
Well, New Orleans is such a special place to me. Obviously, growing up here and being raised here and playing sports, and my parents still being here 54 years they've been here, and getting to come and bring my children, my family, and even though we're not living here currently, it's still home when we come here. So always excited every opportunity to get to come and want to find ways to give back and say thank you to the people of New Orleans. And one way to do that is help with the Children's Hospital, make sure that the kids in New Orleans are getting the best care and that they have a chance to live healthy, happy lives, and make sure they're getting the this wonderful treatments for everything going on. So it's an honor for me to be a part of this, to really in honor of my dad and of my brothers and my mom for all the great work they've done around New Orleans and the legacy that they've built here, and to honor them is really special.
How will this be a game changer for families across Louisiana and the Gulf South? And I know I'm using a sports term there with game changer, but really what does this mean for families with children? How will it be a game changer?
Yeah, thanks. I think the way we really look at this is it's two great Louisiana legacies coming together to change the health of a generation. We have an opportunity to move Louisiana to be a national leader in pediatric outcomes. That's where this is going. We have built, and you heard Cooper and Archie and Todd talk about it, the programs that we have built over the last 70 years have made a significant impact in the kids' lives. We take care of every child regardless of their ability to pay, and you heard Archie talk about it. The story needs to be told. We have kids that still leave the state for care. We have kids that don't know what we're doing. We need to reach those kids so they don't fall in society's cracks, and we change their lives, we save their lives, and we help change the health of a generation. That's what this will do, is elevate that story and to make sure that we bring funds here. Because we can't do what we do without the support of the community, and to have the Mannings by our side to tell that story loud and proud on the amazing work that our physicians and our care teams do is going to be so important to make sure the kids get the help that they need.
So Cooper, so Arch has had a good season over UT football. I want to ask, has he expressed willingness to do post-grad, perhaps continue the Manning legacy in Louisiana, or has he expressed what he wants to do?
Well, I can tell you, Art spent a lot of time at Children's Hospital, and I was there taking him getting stitches, and we spent a lot of time. It's Children's Hospital is right down the block from us, and so Arch is sad he couldn't be here tonight. But I know it's a special spot. And my other son Hyde, we grew up practicing on that field and seeing that helicopter come in, and all the kids taking a knee when they see the helicopter landing, going out with someone young, and it's just a part of the fabric of our youth growing up in New Orleans. And this is an unbelievable facility. We are just flattered and humbled to be a part of it. You take a tour of Children's Hospital, and anybody who doesn't know anything about hospital would say, I'd love to be a part of this in some fashion. So as a family, we are just really honored to be a part of it.